Good evening everyone. Grabe. Lumakas yung loob ko nung may nagtagalog eh. But I will try my best to speak in English.
Can you speak Tagalog?
Yeah. I would like to thank you for winning the title because I can now retire for being Mr. International because it was 11 years ago. It's a one decade, you know. And when you won, I feel like more handsome because you're so handsome than me. And I'm so happy, not only the Philippines, but only the other country that you represent is Germany, right? So you're not like representing the Philippines, but representing Germany. And I know the other country is so proud of you also. Naubusan na ako ng English. And yun lang, Kirk, continue and take good care of your title when you're going in or doing everything in the other country because it's not you are representing Mr. International but the Philippines. You will meet different country, different culture, different people. Show them how Filipino are very hospitable, very good, and everything. Yun lang at be an inspiration to others, especially the people or the handsome men na gustong maging tulad mo. Yun lang, sobrang proud ako kasi I don't know if I'm the first Filipino who won.
Yes.
Because I saw some other photos, I don't know. Pero okay lang ako doon. Masaya ako. At sana there is another Filipino who will won the title. Congratulations, Kurt, for winning, and God bless you.
Thank you so much.